How are we doing, guys? Into the last of our matrix videos for Chung for the pattern details. It's only 3 moves. But again, on absolute clarity with these. Okay, so it goes. If you imagine, I started my pattern over here. It's in my marching B. Did my chop kick presses, my knife elbows, knife elbow, double to the face, double to the body, turn, cross block, 1, 2, 3, stepping out, 1, 2, 3, off to the back, support, kick, side kick, hit, sorry, punch, then side kick, punch, side kick, guard, press, okay, we're right at the end, right at the very end, okay, so we would have gone 1, 2, remember what's about changing stance as you press, 2, okay, and I'm into the final 3 moves. Right hand, top hand, that will be my next technique, okay. I bring my left foot in, feet together, and I turn my hips, feet together. This does not happen often in this fashion in patterns, okay. So, try and make sure it's smooth for one. Okay, what we don't want is if you get in, being very, very dynamic on this sort of stuff, and then going, ooh, yeah, and trying to shoot your weight and then tripping over your own feet. Okay, it must be a controlled, dignified motion. So from here we come in, and we are here. That top hand, that was that claw, comes over and in. Now, hoping the camera angle is correct for this. This is in front of my bottom jaw. Okay, if I sink, so I'm level with camera. It's that. Okay, I can see over the top of this strike. Okay, I am not coming into this here. Okay, it is not scooping around me. Okay, I am not Batman. Yeah. It is not an upper block. Okay. Once you're in this press, that top hand here closes, and I'm here. Okay. Right in front of my bottom jaw. That's where I want to be. Okay. Again, I'm going to do this centre line if I can. I'm going to step out with my right. I'm going to drop both hands onto my left hip, okay, and back stance, pole block, okay. I want to tuck my right elbow, my front elbow in, my thumb does point out. This is the first time my thumbs point out on anything of what we do. Top hand, I want to scoop over the top, and it should be roughly the same. I won't say height, that's not right. They want to, top one wants to be above the bottom one. Okay, I'll show that from the side. Here, top wants to be above bottom, roughly. Okay, I don't want to be here. Okay, and I don't want to, I mean that's just weird. Okay, but we're not skew with it, we're here. Okay, if we can get that, lovely. It's not that dissimilar from these open hand blocks here. It's not dissimilar from this, not really. Okay, so that's what we're aiming for, give or take. Okay, I'll do the end combination in full and I'll do it a couple of directions so you can see how it goes. Once you've got to your last press, press. Feet together, turn your hips, hook, level your jaw. Okay, left hip, back stance, pole block 1, onto my right hip, my front hip, step, pole block, bam, 2. Okay. Again, now I think I mentioned this when I was doing the You'll Go videos. Most patterns, when you get near the end, I will take Tangun as an example. You get to that last upper block in Tangun, hand, and you turn to your left, chop, punch, chop, punch. When you're in Dosan, you get to the end, you get to your last high block. Here, horse stance, chop, but you turn to your left. Okay. One yo, you do that big side kick, bam, feet together, turn out to your left, pattern guard, okay, but you'll go and Chung on a different. You get to the end and you will go right side first. Okay? So, because I'm going to come in from a hook here, off, okay, I'm going to go the way I'm facing. Okay, so if you can imagine, I've come along this way, I'm doing the end of the pattern, I've done my kicks, I've done my guards, I've done my presses. Okay, I come up, left foot comes in, left hand comes down, right hand hook, back hip, step with my right, pole block, front hip, step to my left, pole block. Okay. When you're in your pole blocks, say, tuck that one in, tuck that elbow right in here. Okay, similar to how we were in the middle of the pattern when we were talking about this. It's a short move, them elbows are in, they kind of touch your ribs. Same with this, you come out into that pole block, and that elbow's right in. I'm not projecting out here, and it's not one of the occasions where it's a middle block shape. Here, okay, it's like I'm holding a big box. Okay, but it's one of the only times where my thumbs stick out. Okay, something's coming this way, and it's kind of like a catch. Yeah. Good take. Okay, that is the end of the pattern. I'm going to do one final run through it as a little reminder, in case you haven't seen the details. But it's just going to be, I'm going to talk about the stances as we go. Okay, so my Chung be left foot, left kick, right foot cat stance. Repeat on the other side. Right foot kick, left foot cat stance. Left foot, back stance for your knife, elbow, right foot, elbow. Left foot front stance, right foot front stance, left foot front stance. Left foot front stance, back stance, front stance, step, step. Right foot, front stance, back stance, front stance, step, step. Left foot front stance, recoil, back stance. Kick, right foot front stance, back stance. Shuffle back a bit. Kick. Hello. Left foot guard, press, right foot guard, press, into your hook, right foot, pole block, left foot, pole block. Easy peasy. Have fun. Enjoy.